We are going to work on some metric word problems today. So it says John and Manny are getting ready for the morning rush at the restaurant. They are pouring juice into glasses. Each glass holds 250 milliliters of juice. How many glasses of juice could you pour from a 1 liter jug of juice? So you need to take this 1 liter and convert it to milliliters first. 1 liter equals how many milliliters? We are going to use our King Henry chart for this. So we're going to start on liter and move to milli. That's 1, 2, 3 to the right. So if we take our decimal and move it 1, 2, 3 to the right, we get 1,000. So her jug is 1,000 milliliters and each glass holds 250 milliliters. So that's going to be 1,000 divided by 250. And just like 25 goes into 100 4 times, 250 goes into 1,000 4 times. So they can fill 4 glasses. Coach Thomas said that 1 paperclip weighs 1 gram. If I had 40 paperclips, how many kilograms would the paperclips weigh? So 1 paperclip is 1 gram, but you have 40. So that would be 40 grams. But the question wants to know how many kilograms is that. So we're going from grams to kilograms on our King Henry chart. We start at grams, we move to kilo, 1, 2, 3 to the left. We take our decimal, we move 1, 2, 3 to the left. That's 4 hundredths. You can put the 0 at the end, but you don't have to. 1 human hair weighs 1 milligram. If I have 100,000 hairs on my head, how many grams does my head of hair weigh? 1 hair weighs 1 milligram, but if you have 100,000 of them, that would be 100,000 milligrams. But they want to know how many grams that is. So we're going to start at milligrams and move to grams. So we start at milli and move 3 to the left to grams. So we take our decimal at the end and we move it 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that's 100 grams. Coach Smith makes us run 10 laps around the track during PE. If 1 kilometer is equal to 2 laps around the track, how many kilometers did we run in PE? So we don't have to do any conversions here because he says that 1 kilometer is 2 laps and it says how many kilometers. So they're already in the same measurement. All you had to do was divide 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5 kilometers. Jessica's shoebox is 20 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. How many more millimeters is the length of the shoebox than the width? How many more means subtract, but I also want my answer in millimeters. So I'm going to subtract first, so I only have to convert once. 20 minus 10 is 10, but that's centimeters, and I want my answer in millimeters. So I'm going from centi to milli. Centi to milli is 1 hop to the right. So if I take my decimal and move it 1 hop to the right, that is 100 millimeters. Carlos has a 1 2/10 meter long piece of wood. He wants to cut it into 3 equal lengths. How long should each piece be in millimeters? Cutting into 3 equal lengths, that is division. So we're going to divide 1.2 divided by 3. We move our decimal straight up. This is like 12 divided by 3, which is 4. But that's for meters, and the question says how many millimeters. So equals blank millimeters. So we're going from meters to millimeters. Meters is here under unit, and that's 1, 2, 3 to the right to get to milli. So we take our decimal. I'm going to come down here to do it because it's in the way. We take our decimal, and we go 1, 2, 3 to the right. Empty spaces get zeros. On number 7, a box containing 4 bags of sugar. A box contains 4 bags of sugar. The total mass of all bags is 6 kilograms. What is the mass of each bag in grams? So first we're going to take 6 kilograms and we're going to convert it to grams because that's what it wants our answer in, is grams. So kilograms to grams would be 1, 2, 3 to the right. So we're going to take our 6 with our decimal at the end and we're going to move it 1, 2, 3 to the right. Fill in empty places with zeros, so that's 6,000 grams. But that 6,000 grams is for all 4 bags. We want to know the mass of just one bag. So we're going to take 6,000 and we're going to divide it by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time. 2 left over. We bring down our 0. 4 goes into 25 times. Nothing there, but we still have to bring down our 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. We still have to bring down this 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. We have to make sure that we have our zeros there. So that is 1,500 grams for each bag of sugar. Peter is overweight. He is 105 kilograms. His goal is to lose 5 grams per week. If he manages this, how many weeks will it be until he is 90 kilograms? So we need to convert these 500 grams to kilograms. Everything else is in kilograms except that. So 500 grams is blank kilograms. We're going from grams to kilo. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we're going to take our decimal that's at the end and go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that's 5/10 of a kilogram. So we're going to subtract his weight now, 105 kilograms. And he wants to be 90 kilograms. So that means he wants to lose 15 kilograms. That's how much weight he wants to lose. He's starting at 105. When he loses that 15 kilograms, then he'll be his goal weight of 90 kilograms. Well, he's losing 5/10 of a kilogram each week. So how many weeks is it going to take him to lose these 15 kilograms? We're going to take the 15 kilograms and divide it by 5/10. Now remember, when you have a decimal in your divisor, you have to move it to the end to make it a whole number. You move your decimal in your dividend the same number of times that you moved it in your divisor, and then you move it straight up. 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 5 goes into 0 0 times. So it will take him 30 weeks to lose that weight. I want you to pause the video and try 9, 10, 11, and 12 on your own. So you should have worked out 9 through 12. Number 9 and number 12 were pretty easy. Number 12 you might have gotten confused on because it said 30 grams, but that was just useless information they gave you. You actually didn't need that at all. They just wanted you to take the 5/10 of a gram and tell how many milligrams that was. Number 10 and 11 did involve a little bit more thought process. You had to convert first and then subtract on number 10 because it said how much is left, and then you had to divide on number 11 to see how many oranges. If you missed any and you don't know why, or you don't understand how to work these out, you can send me an email or ask me in a Zoom meeting. You need to complete the back on your own, and then you can check the answer key posted on Google Classroom.